Obviously, 65 Mustang moves under its own power, but the 88 Fox does not move under its own power, and I have a 3 degree or so slope downward, which makes it extremely difficult. Sorry, not difficult, impossible for just little old me to push the Fox body up and into the garage for if I want to work on it. So I've used my truck. That was creative, but I ended up losing it off of the hitch, and it kind of like rolled into the back of the bumper. No dents, no bending, no smudge, no paint loss. But we need a better solution, and I have that solution. Good old Harbor Freight. So there is an electric winch, and I've got drill bits, some anchors, the drill. We're basically going to put it somewhere around here, and that way I'll be able to just with the push of a button pull that car up. Alright, so this thing's pretty simple. It's going to bolt down. Here's the controller, here's the plug that goes to the wall, and then here's the mount plate, and I marked some holes so that we can drill and install. Alright, simple enough. You guys didn't want to see me drill holes, but there's holes in the concrete. Now I gotta hammer these things down. Alright, so now I gotta mount. There's the holes for the mounts for the bottom of this thing. So they're gonna mount these 2 holes, that hole, and here's our hole. We just did 2. I think 2 might be enough. So let's bolt up the hardware. Alright, base plate mounted to the winch, or winch mounted to the base plate. But now we need to put in our little kind of lead guide. Pro tip, it's much easier if you bolt these on before you bolt the winch to the plate. Okay, let's bolt it back up. Alright, so it's on, bolted down. Let's go bolt it to the ground. Alright, so now we have it bolted to the ground. Let's go see if it can pull a car up. Alright, so let's see. We're going to spool out. So if you just pull this guy, twist. Right, let's see about hooking this guy up to some place. Yeah, sure. Right there on the cross member. Right on the cross member, and let's see about locking this guy. Get this retract. So let's cock the wheel. Let's pull it up a little. All right. It's moving. This is painfully slow. There. Voila. Now, say we get done with doing some work with the Fox body, we're ready to put it back, we don't want to keep it in the garage, we want to bring the 65 back to the garage. We can just slowly let this guy out and just guide it back to its parking spot. Ever so gently. And it looks like it doesn't bog down, doesn't look like there's any struggle, so I'm overall pretty happy about this. And as simple as that, we got a winch bolted to the floor. Mustang is parked back in its spot, and because it's a nice pace, I can park the Fox body wherever I need it to go with no rush. And important, it can be done with one person, me, because sometimes friends always want to help, of course. Then the next thing is I'm supposed to call them because they're not telepathic, and you know. But sometimes if you got to do something real quick, it can be done safely, and we can move the car without straining ourselves, pulling it up like a 5-degree slope. I'm in Texas. This place is supposed to be flat, but nonetheless, we got this accomplished. The Fox body build is underway. We started cleaning out the car with all the trash. So I figured this week we'd make a quick little video, cool little video. I know there's probably some other guys who probably have a incline driveway, and you're a car guy and you just want to bring home a car, and the intimidation of being able to have to push it up a hill might be a problem. But guess what? There's a solution. And I got it for me because, one, I don't want to damage my truck. Two, I'm not going to strain myself pushing it up a hill. So, no more towing the Fox body in the parking spot with the 65 Mustang, and no more pushing it with the tow hitch on the F-150. So, there you have it. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button down below. Comment your thoughts. What do you think about this? Was this worth it? Did I just, you know, shot the value of the house, or what? But if it's your first time here, why don't you think of subscribing, and I will see you guys later.